Here we are, King George Dock. Afternoon cod bashing. Waiting for the tide to come up. Plenty of cod on the menu, I'm sure. Plenty of whiting anyway. Been some good reports of whiting in the Humber. Let's hope there's the odd straggling cod or bass for later on. I'm going to be staying while, I don't know, 8 or 9 o'clock. Our tide's at 7:30, so give it an hour, 2 hours down, and then go home with half dozen decent cod. Or not, as the case may be. Good location though is King George, like it.
Especially for us oldies.
Yeah, especially for old farts like us.
Because we can sit in the car.
Right, let's go sit in the car and have a natter until the tide comes in.
Yeah. So we can now have a chat. And we can record it for posterior.
Yeah, we've got all this gear and no idea.
All this gear and no idea, that's a good one. I like that. Yeah, that's the light.
That's alright.
Not very bright, but it's something.
Yeah, so how are you gonna cook your fish tonight then?
Oh, I think I'm gonna steam them.
Yeah, I like steamed cod. Can't beat steamed cod. Never had steamed bass though. Never had bass. In fact, I've never caught a bass, I don't think.
I've been with someone who caught a bass and it must have been about £8.
I don't believe you. I've never seen anybody catch a bass.
But, I mean, I'm going back over 30 years. Other than that, I mean, I've never caught a bass.
I've been fishing since the mid-1970s and I've never caught a bass, ever.
Same here. I've never caught a bass.
When I used to fish on dock here, used to come here on my push bike, mid to late 1970s, midwinter, thick ice, absolute thick ice, about -5 or 6 degrees, and the cod, you couldn't fail. Every cast you got a decent cod. And nowadays, you spend days and days here and you'll never see a cod. So I'm just hoping the whiting that are about today are a decent size. The ones I've seen, they all look, 20 centimetres, 15, 20 centimetres. Not really big enough, them.
No. It's like time before when I went on the boat from Brid, we caught a few whiting and the guys on the boat were keeping them and I put mine back because they were just, too small and they're just full of bone.
Yeah.
Just full of bones when they're small.
Yeah, you have to, at that size, you have to throw them back. Yeah. Let them grow a bit bigger.
Exactly.
But on these tourist charter boats, they keep anything, don't they?
They do.
Everything.
Yeah.
And the skipper's really at fault there. He should tell him to throw them back.
Yeah.
Well, it's a good tide today. It's 7.5 metres or 7.4 metres. So it'll be a pretty high tide when it finally arrives. At the minute, it's a good 60, 70 metres out.
Yeah. A bit muddy.
All we can see is mud.
If I could cast 70 metres, I'd be all right. Yeah, because we've got the Siemens factory next door to us. Yeah, so that's the Siemens dock.
Yeah. Looks like that ship, the Siemens ship, is loading up the blades. It's good how the ship lowers its supporting legs into the Humber, keeps it upright.
Yeah, stops it tipping over to one side.
Yeah.
But they also use them on the seabed as well.
Yeah, that's right.
And it goes down the middle of the ship.
That's a hell of a depth out in the North Sea.
Yeah, we can see where the piles are.
Surprised
Top.
it actually gets all the way down. So they'll be putting the blades on first, and then they'll put the them afters and whatever they call them.
Well, the
central legs.
Yeah.
Things.
The support.
They'll be going on after that, and then going out somewhere in the North Sea. Could be going anywhere, really.
Could be, yeah. It's not necessarily forced to be this side of the country, is it? It could be.
Once they're all set up, we'll see how our electric bills come down even more.
Yeah.
Or not, as the case may be.
I think not. Yeah, that blade is being lowered down.
Yeah, it
into
is.
Position.
Very slowly, but it's going down.
Yeah, it's going down.
Clever stuff.
But it's technology that was created for the North Sea oil, isn't it? It's the same type of rig that they set up for the oil drilling. Right, just wait now. Very cold.
Problem is, sat in here, come and see the tips. Yeah, just.
Yeah.
It's good having two rods because you can gauge the drop, can't you, from the other rod.
Yeah.
When you've got one rod, it's fucking hard. Any bites yet?
Be good, won't it?
Yeah, I must have been a bit more hardy back in the 1970s when I used to sit here fishing.
Yeah.
Come up on push bait and fish for 5 or 6 hours. I remember once it was thick fog, and the fog, it must have been below freezing because the fog was icing up on the land.
Was it? Wow.
And as you was winding in, you saw it breaking off the land. But it didn't bother me, you know.
No.
I'd sit here and fish all day like that. And now, I won't bear the thought of doing it.
the one question that interests me is, how did you get all the kit that you needed on a push bike?
I don't know. Can't remember. I don't know. I'll have had all the kit. Rods, reels, bait, tackle. I can't remember. In about 1977, I bought a Puck Maxi, 50cc Puck Maxi scooter. Like a Harley Davidson to make that.
Yeah.
My open face helmet.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't wear any safety gear.
No. I know what, helmet because you had to.
Yeah, exactly. It used to come up on me just with a jumper on.
Well.
Yeah, I remember that scooter. It was I actually bought a push bike, a racing bike first, and I had it about a fortnight. And I went back to the shop and asked him if he'd take the racer back off me and sell me a Puck Maxi.
Right.
And he did. But it was one of those. The Puck Maxi had pedals.
Oh yeah.
So you'd have to pedal it to start it. Is it going out or is it?
Yeah.
No, it's coming up the Humber, isn't it?
It could be actually coming up Humber. It might be that one we heard on the radio earlier. No, I'm alright, thanks. Going up to Goole. It would be the right type of ship as well to go to Goole because it's got.
Looks like a coaster, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, the rods have been in 5-10 minutes and still haven't got out.
I know, it's disappointing.
I'm getting a bit despondent now. Is that your rod then?
And did a bit of a wobble, didn't it?
Are these bait carts frozen still?
Yeah. It should be thawing out, but yeah, basically frozen. A lot of people walk around here, don't they?
Yeah. Yeah, you get a lot of dog walkers. You also get people walking up to the ferry because they know people are on it. And
Oh, I see, yeah.
so these pulley panels, then you've got 2 hooks.
Yep. Up to your main
Do you
line.
actually put the hook through the bait, or do you have to lash it on?
No, you put your hook through the bait because you've already lashed it with that elastic.
Yeah.
So you put it through,
Ah, yeah, that's right.
and then the other hook goes up the other end to keep it, so that if a fish takes either end, it'll get a hook in it.
Right.
So
How big are your hooks though? Because I mean, these pulley panel, these bait carts,
yeah,
quite big, aren't they?
they're about 3 inches long. Yeah.
And they're fairly thick. So when you stick the hook through it, it ain't going to show through the other side, is it?
Oh, it will. Yeah.
Will it?
Yeah.
I think you've got something on it.
Don't know. It did a bit of a wobble.
Yeah, it's gone again.
It's just... Flatty.
Flatty.
Yeah. Oh no,
Whiting.
whiting.
Hey! Have a look. Highest one.
A bit small.
So the rumours are right. Loads of whiting.
Yeah. It's going back. And away. Flying fish. On mackerel.
And all I can say is, you've done it again.
I need a bit more bait. I need a bit more bait on that. We haven't blanked.
Yeah.
Second time we've been out, second time we haven't blanked.
You what?
Second time, right. The last time we was in fresh water, we didn't blank. This time, we haven't blanked.
I think by the end of the night we'll have a few more whiting.
Hope so.
Well, you will anyway. So always you.
Now I'll get all the small whitings, you'll get the big cod.
Size hooker you got on?
Big one. I was actually worried in case it was too big.
Well, whiting obviously got big mouths, haven't they?
Is it too big? Is it too small?
Where was it hooked? And it's just a lip.
Yeah, inside of its mouth. Must have just got it as it went past, sort of thing.
Anyway, if you catch a load more, I'm not playing out next time.
Tell your mum. Yeah, your rod's going now.
You would think if there's an abundance of whiting this year, then fish like predatory fish like bass would follow them up.
Yeah, you would.
Because they'll feed on them, won't they?
Yeah.
Alright.
You alright?
Alright. Caught up yet? This far yet?
No.
Not yet.
Whiting.
Whiting at the minute, yeah.
Yeah, as far as we know, anyway.
Yeah. So I know there was whiting up at Paul, like a few weeks, well, last week, wasn't it? Yeah.
Loads of whiting at
Yeah. Paul.
the other side.
Yeah.
Killingham where can't feel.
Well,
Cod
we
shouldn't
could.
be too much longer, should they really?
Hey?
Cod shouldn't be too much longer. So,
Hopefully
yeah.
not. There might be one or two bass hanging out.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, there's been a few bass caught around here.
Yeah.
You know, decent ones.
Exclusion sensation watch. Alright.
All right, mate.
Right. Wonder what they're doing.
There's a deep channel over there, though, that
Yeah.
side of
Yeah.
the lock gates. I think that's why they go there. But they're 120 metres.
Yep.
Bloody hell. They don't look 120 metres, do they? But they'll be even bigger when they're on ship. I doubt it'll be going out tonight, though. That still got a lot to get on it.
Yeah. I reckon
I'd imagine it takes about a week to fill it. See, just a little bit of red
Yeah, just gonna say.
just set in there.
The only problem we'll have in about an hour's time is rats.
yeah.
Yeah.
They're problems.
They'll be all over here.
Yeah.
Problem is they're all over your tackle and bait and pissing on it and all sorts.
Yeah.
Yeah, something you don't want is that.
Yeah.
You might just see the sun poking through in a few minutes,
Yeah.
if it gets through. Yeah, it's almost gonna poke through.
Yeah, it's getting a bit brighter.
Pity there's just a bit too much cloud.
It's weird how you can see the cars and that going past it though. It's just on the level of the road.
Apparently there is a lot of crabs here though. There was complaining about crabs the other day at Killingham.
All right.
Absolutely hundreds of them. But they were getting, every cast was getting 1, 2 whiting.
Yeah.
There was that many. But Killingham's what? Got to be 15, 18 mile down river.
On the other side.
Yeah. So it's probably a bit more salty there.
Yeah.
But you just can't get on it. There was complaining yesterday. Absolutely no spaces at all. Oh, well, I'm going to see what my bait's doing.
Yeah. I'll have a look after you. Crab? No. No, it's just your work.
Oh, top one's empty. A little bit of weed, not a lot though. There's a golden hour, look.
Oh yeah, well, that's good, isn't it?
That's it, it's gone down now.
Hmm?
The sun's gone below now.
Oh, it has, yeah.
Alright, nice glow that, isn't it?
It is. I've got a rag in the car.
You what?
I've got some of that blue
Yeah,
stuff and some rag in the car.
I've got a rag here. It's getting better now, the golden glow.
Yeah.
Cracking view that.
Yeah, isn't it? Gold in there as well, isn't
Eh?
there? Some gold in there as well.
Yeah, fantastic.
You have to send me that footage.
I'm going to put one of my red lights on in a minute.
One of you, what lights?
Me
Oh, on your rod,
tip glow thing.
yeah.
It's not very bright, is it?
Yeah, it's still quite light though, isn't it?
Hey, you got a bite?
Oh yeah.
promise I won't swear at you if you get another one.
It's not very positive bite though, is it?
Do you know if this is the King George Dock car park or is that somewhere else?
King George Dock car park?
Yeah.
Which one? This is a public car park.
Right. Do you know where it might be?
What, for picking somebody up?
No, for long stay parking around here. We're getting on the ferry, but
Right.
this is,
If you go down this road here,
yeah.
and then you'll come to the main reception,
Okay.
and you pull into the car park there.
Oh, it's
And as far as I know, that's the overnight car park.
okay. Perfect. Thank you. Cheers.
All right. Something going off with this place.
Oh, that's better.
You got it.
You definitely had a bite, Dave.
Yeah.
Not that I'm bothered, like.
But they're not big positive bites, are they?
No, they're only small fish though, aren't they? Never mind.
That's your fault, that is. Saying I've got a bite. But what I have done, I've put bigger bait on.
Have you?
Yeah, big lumps of mackerel rather than little bits.
Right.
Well, one's gone anyway.
You what?
One lump of mackerel's gone. And the other one's been chewed to death. I reckon it's crabs. Just one whiting.
What the whitelid?
Just a little one.
It's getting just a little bit chilly now, isn't it? The only downside with this car park is as soon as it gets dark, all your boy racers come out on bikes and cars
Yeah.
all the time.
Pity they don't go over the edge, isn't it? Yes.
I don't know why, but I can see my red a lot clearer than the green. Green's
To be honest, that battery is the one that's been in there for a year.
Yeah, there's batteries and batteries there. I bought a pack of batteries off eBay or wherever it was. Yeah, eBay. And not one of them worked,
Yeah.
you know. I mean, that one, what I put in before that one, was fully charged and it went dead within 30 seconds. You got a bite again? Oh my God.
waste of time that was.
Why?
Lock gates are shut.
Oh, right.
You can't get through.
What's them lads doing? Are they going?
The lock gates are shut.
Oh, God.
This is better.
That felt like a better pull.
It did. It's not big, whatever it is, but it's not there.
It's not there. Nothing.
No.
Oh, well. So, you know, when you cast this one out,
Yeah.
can you cast it over there somewhere so I have a chance?
Yeah, all right.
It looked like a decent pull, wasn't it?
It did as well, yeah. And I felt it. It felt like.
Maybe you struck too soon.
Yeah. Yes.
Could have been a half decent waiting.
Or a big crab.
So they've got all the way there and the lock gates are open, so they can't get across.
Yeah.
So what they're doing then? Just going?
Yeah, I reckon so. Unless they're getting up over there. But if they walked in through the back, but no, they were the first ones that went.
Yeah, they're the first ones who went.
Yeah. So where does the lock gates take you then?
So the other walkway like this,
Right, across that bridge.
across the bridge, and then it carries on down, going towards Salt End Way, well,
Right.
to Alexander Dock. Yeah, a few of these people you see just randomly coming like them bikers,
Yeah.
they're way conduct.
Yeah.
They'll be just leaving now. So how big a piece of mackerel have you put on?
About that long.
Oh, hell, longer than mine then. I'm going to put in
I might
little squares on. Yours is like a long worm then.
Yeah.
I might try after this one, I might try a bait cart.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Because that's got everything in it, hasn't it? Not just mackerel.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of flavour in it as well, won't there?
Yeah.
So do you actually put your the hooks just through the elastic, or do you put it through the cart itself?
Through the cart itself.
Because my hooks are only that long.
Yeah, that's fine. So,
I'm just wondering if much of an hook is going to poke out the other side.
yeah, it will. You'll be surprised. I've used them twice, them bait carts. They'll stay on forever. Come on, fishy, 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 fish, fish, fish.
Yeah, for some reason, a lot of anglers prefer the other side of the lock gates because they say it's deeper. I don't know whether they dredge it because of boats or what, but
I would think so, yeah, because they go out and go that way, don't they?
but this car park's never changed. It was exactly the same in the 1970s.
Yeah. Yeah.
God, I don't believe it. Are you putting something special on your...
No. I mean, I'm sticking the hook up my ass first.
When it's 20 past 6, our tide's 25 to 8.
It's quite high, you know, even though it's got an hour to go.
Yeah, 7.5 metre tonight. So it's pretty high.
Yeah.
So we'll give it, what, an hour down?
Yeah. Yeah, give it an hour down.
Yeah, I'm bloody restricted in that camper van where I can go now. Can't get in here. I can't go to Pull because I can't get down that track
Yeah, I've seen that track.
because
It's treacherous, isn't it?
the trees are just real low. Can't go to Macro anymore.
The only thing I can think of is, you know, when we went to Lord Line Building, we parked near that Chinese.
Yeah,
That's the only place I can think of that you could go.
could go, yeah. Park there and, well, you're only 50 metres from the wall
Yeah.
there, so you can get to the wall and just fish there. I mean, you can go in the car park, the main car park where the shops are, but I think it's got that private eye
Yeah.
restriction.
Restriction about 3 hours or something.
Yeah, they'll have you. So you went on. You saw a lot of people fishing on the beach.
Yeah, Withensea.
Did you speak to anybody?
Not yesterday, but the other day I did, and they hadn't had anything. But that was at the south side. On the north side, there was. I didn't go down there because I couldn't be asked to go down the steps.
Right.
But there was a good.
The north side, as in the end of the promenade,
Yeah, the north end of the prom.
where it meets the cliffs.
Yeah. A few down
Well, on
there.
them Facebook groups, there's not much in the way of reports coming from the coast. Everybody seems to be getting here, you know, Humber.
Yeah.
And once the reports come in that the Humber's doing well, everybody changes tactics. They leave the beach and they all come on the Humber.
Yeah.
That's why Killingholme's rammed.
Is it over there where them lights are? Is that Immingham?
Killingholme,
Yeah.
it's way down.
Further down. Yeah.
Good.
I know we went.
Yeah, it's good 50. Right round the corner,
Right.
15 miles away at least. Grimsby's what, about 23 mile that way.
Yeah.
And Killingholme's only 6-7 miles before Grimsby. In fact, when you're at Killingham, you can see Spurn Point.
Right. Yeah. All right.
It's a long way around.
Yeah.
In fact, I thought that was Immingham, but I don't even think that's Immingham. I think
No.
Immingham's further round. I don't think that is it Bridlington or Scarborough? That charter boat, he's backed out of a lot of competitions this year.
Yeah.
Said he's had enough. People messing him about. Posted that on one of the groups. So I don't think he's doing very well. But if we don't take people to the fish, then
I know.
people don't go back, do they?
No. Well, when I went on that boat, we was cruising around an awful lot. We didn't stop anywhere for
Is he at Bridge or is it Scarborough?
Scarborough.
Yeah, cruising around's no good.
No.
Skipper, he'll know where the fish are,
Yeah.
and he should take you there. If he wants guaranteed returns of people, you take them where the fish are.
Well, I've noticed on the Charter Boats UK, the website I go to, a lot of the boats along this coast are using pictures from the year before last
Yeah,
on their front page.
yeah. They get if they
That
get
means that they're not caught anything this year.
exactly. Yeah. Yeah, if they have a really good day with lots of fish, big fish, they're going to use that repeatedly, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
But it's it's a bit false, isn't it? Really. People want to see what you got last week, not last year.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. It's gone a bit quiet, hasn't it?
Hey. Yeah, I have a good feeling there's quite a lot of big bass coming this way, though.
Give it 10 minutes and I'm going to put one of them bait carts on.
That reel, I bought it a long while ago. I remember now why I don't like it. Because instead of having one winder quite far out back, so you get a good turn,
Yeah.
it's got two winders, same distance from the spindle,
Right. Yeah.
but they're only about that far either side. About that far either side.
Yeah.
And
So you're going like that.
and you like that, and it's real hard to turn it.
Are you sure you don't want that other reel?
No, I'll be all right for tonight. I'll empty the shed out and find the others. I know they're in the shed.
See, we're sat here, we don't even know if the bait's still on. Because if there's crabs out there, could have picked them.
Well, my bait was still on. Both baits.
Was it?
So I don't think there's many crabs. If there was a lot of crabs, they'd be picked clean every time, wouldn't they?
Yeah, they would. True. I'm just trying to think up excuses why we're not catching anything.
We're not catching anything because we're bloody useless.
I've got a video going live at 8 o'clock tonight.
What they call that? Dummy's Guide to Fishing.
Yeah. It's just a short one. It's called Pebbles.
Pebbles.
Yeah.
About pebbles.
Yeah.
Half an hour's worth of pebbles.
Yeah. On the beach.
That'll be interesting.
It says pick a pebble.
Hey, what?
It says pick a pebble.
Pick a pebble.
And then the waves come in and move it around. And
All right. I'll have to watch that.
Right, I'm going to put a bait cart on. I'll get the light out as well.
Yeah, so it's the bottom hook. Goes on the clip.
Where's your clip? Oh, is it down here on your,
Yeah,
on your weight?
the clip's on the weight.
Can't see what I'm doing.
Do you want me to do it?
No, it's all right. I've got it. Yeah.
All the boy racers are out.
Yeah. Such heroes, aren't they? The thing with them bait carts, right, even if there are crabs out there, they can't take the bait because it's wrapped up. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's why they stay on so long.
Yeah, I've had to put it through in a bit of a weird manner. Because the hooks, when I put the hook through the bait cart,
Yeah.
it weren't coming out the other side.
No, mine didn't at first.
So I've sort of put the hook through the elastic as such.
Yeah.
A bit of the bait and the elastic, and then stuck it outside.
Yeah. That's
Um,
what I've done, yeah.
I think a Yona will struggle
Waiting.
a whiting, but a bass wouldn't. £20 cod probably eat it, all right.
So you've got your sights low then.
Yeah.
Expectations, low expectations.
I wonder what that was then.
So,
Freaking bit of
all right.
blue roll
Yeah.
flapping about. I thought it was a rat on your bonnet. 3 rats in a line waiting halfway, looking at me. Don't know why there's no bites.
No,
Christ, I mean,
not after that first whiting.
got perfect bait. You're not telling me though, this massive stretch of water, that there isn't a cod in there, somewhere near us.
No.
There has to be. I mean, I can't understand, was it 2 years ago or 3 years ago? The Humber was full of cod. Rammed.
Yeah.
And then the following year, none.
Yeah. Nothing. There's that down there.
Yeah.
And nothing.
Bloody loads, isn't there, really?
I know nothing last year at all, was there?
No. Not a sausage. apart from a few flatties